dear students, I welcome you all to grade 4 maths lesson of St. Peter's College, Colombo 4, Nigambar branch. Today our lesson is subtraction. You all have done subtraction when you were in grade 3. What is subtraction? Subtraction means you are taking something away from a group or number of things. When you subtract, what is left in the group becomes less. Today we are going to subtract 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. There's a video for you. We will continue our lesson after watching.
Snails. There are 25 snails on the ground. 16 of them hid themselves in their shell. How many snails are still out of their shell?
According to the video you watched, there are 25 snails on the ground. 16 of them hid themselves in their shell. How many snails are still out of their shell? Now we have to find the number of snails which are still out of their shell. Let's look at the numbers. They have given you number 25 and number 16. In this number 25, let's see how many ones are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In number 25, there are 5 ones. Tens. How many tens are here? 1, 2. In number 25, there are 2 tens and 5 ones. Let's take number 16. When we take number 16, first look at the ones. Let's count how many ones are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 ones. Let's have a look at number 16. When we take number 16, let's count how many ones are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this number 16, there are 6 ones. Let's look at the tens. How many tens are here? There is only 1 10. In number 16, there are 6 ones and 1 10. Before solving the given place value of numbers, let's have a look at the place value of numbers. You all know number 25 is a 2-digit number, so it has ones and tens. In number 25, there are 5 ones as we learned before, and there are 2 tens. The value of 5 is 5 and the value of 2 tens is 20. So 20 plus 5 becomes 25. When we look at number 16, in this number 16, there are 6 ones and only 1 10. So the value of 6 ones is 6. The value of 1 tens is 10. So 10 plus 6 is equal to 16. Now we are going to subtract 16 from 25. Here is number 25. This is number 16. You have to write the numbers in order. We have to subtract 6 from 5. Can we do that? No. because number 5 is smaller than number 6. So we have to ask one from this group, from tens. So if we ask one from this number 2, since we take 1 from tens group, this 1 is equal to 10. 1 10 is equal to 10 ones. So this 1 becomes 10. 10 and this 5 all together, it becomes 15. Now we can subtract 6 from 15. If we subtract 6 from 15, the answer is 9. Now let's have a look at this. We gave 1 to this group. So 2 minus 1. We can say there's 2 here. We have already given 1 to this group, so only 1 is remaining here. If we subtract 1 from 1, the answer becomes 0. So if we subtract 16 from 25, the answer is 9. There's a story for you. Just listen. One day, Peter's mother gave him 252 rupees and asked him to buy a bottle of milk. So he went to the shop and got a bottle of milk. The price of it was 137 rupees. So he went to the cashier and gave the money which was given by his mother. The cashier took 137 rupees and gave him the balance. Now we have to find the balance. When you look at these two numbers, you can see both the numbers are 3-digit numbers. One is 252 and the other one is 137. When we take 3-digit numbers, there are hundreds, tens and ones. First, look at this number, 252. How many ones are here? Let's count. 1, 2. In this 252, there are 2 ones. Let's count the tens. How many tens are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 tens. When we look at the hundreds, there are 2 hundreds. 1, 2. When we look at this number 137, first look at the ones. Let's count how many ones are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 ones. Let's look at tens. 1, 2, 3. There are 3 tens. Now let's look at hundreds. There is only 100. Now let's have a look at the place value of numbers. 252, as we learned earlier. There are 2 ones. There are 5 tens. 5 tens is equal to 50. And there are 2 hundreds. 2 hundreds is equal to 200. When we look at this number 137, there are 7 ones, there are 3 tens and there is 100. 7 ones is equal to 7, 3 tens is equal to 30 and 100 is equal to 100. Now we are going to subtract 137 from 252 in order to find the balance. You can see today, these are ones, these are tens and these are hundreds. First, we have to subtract ones. We have to subtract 7 from 2. Can we do that? No, because 2 is smaller than 7. So definitely we have to ask 1 from tens. So if we ask 1 from tens, this 1 is equal to 10. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. Now we can subtract 7 from 12. The answer is 5. Now we are going to subtract this set, tens one. Since we gave 1 to this group, now only 4 is remaining here. We have to subtract 4. Sorry, we have to we have already given 1 to this group, so 1 is missing. We have already given 1, so 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. Now only 4 is here. Now we have to subtract 3 from 4. The answer is 1. Now we are going to subtract hundreds. Number 2, we have to subtract 1 from 2. The answer is 1. Altogether, the answer is 115. So, I hope you all understood today's lesson. Today, we subtract 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. This is the end of our lesson. Thank you all for watching. God bless you.